Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Into this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, click on Facebook application. Now click on profile. Now click on three line. Now click on settings and privacy. Again click on settings. Now click on account center. Scroll down. Click on manage account. Click on manage. Click on deactivation or deletion. Select delete account. Continue. Now select any reason from here. I am selecting the first one. Continue. Enter your Facebook password. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.